हाली साहित्यिकांक कठीण दीस आयल्यात. सत बरोवप्यांक धमक्यो मेळटात, हल्ले जातात, खून करतात. ताका लागून सत्य अल्पसंख्य जावन रावला. जिवेशी मारपाची धमकी मेळूनय निर्भीड साहित्य निर्मिणीची परंपरा फुडें व्हरपी 75 वर्सां पिरायेच्या भाई मावजियाचो देखूनच अभिमान दिसता. राष्ट्रीय पावण्यावेलो ज्येष्ठ साहित्यीक अशोक वाजपेयीन म्हटलें. साहित्य अकादमी पुरस्कार जैतवंत साहित्यीक दामोदर मावज्याच्या साहित्याची वळख करून दिवपी अक्षर दामोदर हो राष्ट्रीय परिसंवाद मडगांवच्या रवींद्र भवनात सुरू जाला. ताच्या उक्तावणाच्या सुवाळ्यात अशोक वाजपेयी उलयतालो. दिवली पेटोवन कार्यावळीक आरंभ जालो.
Writers in India hardly matter. If you see the climate in the 5-6 years, sometimes one of them is chosen for attack. In that case also, Mr. Mozo has been chosen to be given a death threat, and that he had to be provided security. So these are times when there is a widespread cowardice. Also among writers, incidentally, it is not merely among the citizens. There is a complicity in an ethos of murder and violence and killing and lynching. There is a growing regime of lies. In fact, at such a scale that truth has become a minority. Now, it is an amazing career for a writer, born a Saraswat Brahmin, but writes about Catholic people. What a sin! Not from the side of the Christians, but maybe from the side of the Hindus, whatever those are. And he writes about a tsunami in Tamil Nadu. He writes about the ayahs in Middle East, Gulf. Now this is what a writer does. He is not limited by his circumstances, by his geography, by his location. It is through imagination and empathy that he creates a much larger world than he inherits, and leaves a larger world behind than he got himself.
मडगांवच्यान आमचो खबराकार संदीप तुयेंकार.